I'm Marlene from Macro Vegan. Today I'm going to share with you my delicious recipe for vegan chocolate balls. Now it's very simple. I use some adzuki beans, which are deliciously sweet beans, with some cocoa powder, some dates, a couple of pecans, just a small dash of vanilla extract, and then we're going to roll them in some desiccated coconut. Now I've prepared and measured out all the ingredients. I opened the can of adzuki beans and simply rinsed them under the running water. I took the pits out of the dates because these were actually not pitted dates, so make sure that you're taking the pits out before you use them. 1 cup of pecans, half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract and a 1/4 cup of the cocoa powder. Now I like to use a small pot for the coconut simply because it makes life easier when you're taking the little chocolate balls. You pop them in and you just simply roll it round and you get beautifully evenly covered chocolate adzuki bean balls. Well, we're ready to go, so we're going to start processing. I always like to start with the adzuki beans because it puts a little bit of moisture into the bottom of the food processor. Then we add the dates next on top and just spread them out evenly, followed by the nuts, and then half a teaspoon. Now I'm such an expert, I don't have to measure, so here we go, half a teaspoon, perfect. You always know, you get to know yourself. And then we pop the coconut, the cocoa powder on the top. So always put the powder on last, otherwise it tends to dry up the ingredients. Pop on the lid and we're ready to go. So just stop, pop the lid off and just scrape down the side. Now this is starting to look absolutely wonderful. Nice and moist, which is what we want. Again, lid back on and that's it. Okay, ready. So first of all, you want to take out, let's just move the coconut here. We'll bring a plain bowl. You want to take out the blade, okay, and then simply pop the mixture into your bowl. Luscious, totally delicious chocolate balls coming right up. Okay, now what I like to do is I always have a tiny piece of water in a bowl beside me because you want to keep your fingers moist and clean also. You can also pop this in the fridge. A lot of people prefer to do that to maybe firm it up slightly, but you know, I'm good to go. So tiny little bit of water on your fingers and straight into the bowl. Now, uniformity is not really an issue, but if you were making these for, you know, a party, or as I said about my client making it instead of a birthday cake, you want to try and keep them the same size. Pop your fingers back in again. So let's make a few and it lets you see what I'm meaning by uniformity. These are so Moorish, you will not believe how delicious they taste and everyone loves them, kids in particular. Okay, so just wipe your fingers on a little piece of tissue, pick up your bowl. Now I like to use the pot, as I said earlier, because you can simply roll them around and then take a spoon, pop in, pick up your little chocolate ball onto a plate. Number 2 coming right up, same again. Now I chill these in the fridge before we enjoy them because the colder they become, the harder they become inside, or slightly. So here we go, last ball coming out, number 3. Now if you've enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel because I have a wealth of knowledge of how to make really fast, easy, delicious vegan desserts. Enjoy!